What's up, Fidget Tube here? Oh, can we get the light on? Walk over. Hey guys, and welcome to YouTube.
Welcome to YouTube. Smash that like button.
We're going out to buy exclusive spinners.
We got some good spinners coming up. We're gonna spin it for you.
How do you spin?
Bad.
Fidget. You saw this was taken?
Welcome to Dill's Corner. We're gonna unbox my new fidget spinner. My first fidget spinner.
Like this?
Actually, it's called hand spinner because it's not the name brand. On the back it says work, class, home. Class is underlined, so I think it's marketed towards kids like me. 10 bucks. Got it at a place called 420 Blaze Zone. My new favorite store.
Got the house with my swagger, hop in there with yo, I got places to go.
Oh, dude. Just shit? Oh, it's gone.
Unlike my theory that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna.
Let's open this bad boy.
Creased.
Yeah, let's pop this bad boy out.
Ooh.
Let's give it a spin, huh? Evenly weighted. It's got a heavy tilt to it. And you can tell by the colors it's kind of alien themed.
It's fast.
It's fast, it's green, yellow, and sparkle. Probably glow in the dark. I'm gonna have to wait till nightfall. Test that one out. You can make them kiss too.
Regulators. Yo, black scarf marks all over the 90s. 2 man down, but we're going on lively. Out on my box, but I'm coming up nicely. Back road rave up Shoreditch, High Street. You know me. Still the same old Dutch fuck going on till I get a malt sewn up. She sees me run her back with a roller. Red Bull rum just next to Corona. Bang, wait to the baseline kicks in like our family. Brother, I'm lifted. Brother, you listening? Brother, I'm listening.
This is my city. Welcome to my city.
They don't feel as cool as I thought they would.